As cases of gender-based violence and rape continues to rise in the country, the National Orientation Agency, in collaboration with other key stakeholders on Thursday at a stakeholder meeting in Abuja, called on government at all levels, non-governmental organizations, and the general public to join the fight against gender-based violence, rape, and other crimes against women and children in the society. In his address, Director General of the National Orientation Agency, Garba Abari, stated that the rising cases of rape and violence against women and children is alarming and calls for immediate action to stem the tide.
Today's meeting is in continuation of our search for a solution to the age-long problem which appear to have found new expression in our country. Whether old or new, rape or sexual and gender-based violence are evil against humanity.
Also speaking, Executive Director, Peering Advocacy and Advancement Center in Africa, PARCA, Ezenwa Nwagu, Head of Program Action Aid Nigeria, Sweba Yakubu, Program Director, Yaga Africa, Cynthia Mbamalu, and other stakeholders at the meeting shared their thoughts.
As civil society, our advocacy will have a gap if we do not collaborate with institutions that have capacity, that have the reach, that have the competence to ensure that our advocacy falls into the right place.
Only state that had passed the VAP Act into law at state level can enforce it. So that is one arm of it. The Child's Rights Act, same fate. That is the other arm of it. But beyond the passage of this law at state level, at national level, is also the issue of enforcement. If we have laws that are not enforced, then there will be a major challenge. So we struggle with the enforcement of laws, and I'll look at it from different angles. The response to survivors, investigation, prosecution, convictions, and ultimately justice. If we do not have a system that immediately or urgently responds to violence, we are going to have less survivors of violence who are willing to report or come out to share their experiences.
Development of people who are affected by this menace becomes very, very difficult as it affects women or other victims psychologically, physically, and all round. Action Aid has put in place strategies to challenge this menace. How do we make sure that this perpetrators register is available even within the rural communities of Nigeria, so that immediately, before even the case is concluded, the name goes there. So we want it there so that if you are proven innocent, then it can be removed. Only then we will have people to say no to it. How do we have more champions to say no to rape or gender-based violence?
The National Orientation Agency strongly believes that commitment from stakeholders and well-meaning Nigerians will bring lasting solution to the menace of rape and violence against women and children in the country.